how to fix Facebook not showing new post issue on your Facebook application. If you are facing newsfeed not showing on your Facebook application, then this video is for you. To solve it, first of all, open your Facebook application and hit on the menu button, which is on the bottom right corner of your screen. From here, scroll down a little bit and go through the setting and privacy and hit on the settings. Now scroll down and go through the navigation bar and hit on the customize the bar. From here at the last you will see feeds, make it to pin. Now go back to your home page and uninstall the Facebook application and reinstall it. Once you reinstall it, your issue will be solved. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.